In Hyderabad, 166 birds perished from extreme dehydration. In Yakral, a peacock was discovered unconscious and later died from heat and exhaustion. Pigeons and other little birds are likely to be near people and food sources during summer instead of migrating. Even while there is food to feed flocks, they cannot access water during the summer. During summers, birds tend to rapidly dehydrate, so having a water dish set up can be beneficial. The easiest way to ensure that the animals in our neighborhood stay hydrated is to provide clean water in water sources. Using clay pots keeps the water relatively clean and cool while also preventing the vessel from tipping over. Keeping fruits and vegetables nearby could be an excellent source of food and water for animals and birds.